channel. Hi, how you guys doing? Today I want to do my makeup using nothing new nothing new, just using whatever I have in my collection. And I also want to try this hack that they have on TikTok, and so yeah, let's do it.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first, then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then
start my skin. You can barely see because this thing, okay, right there. I'm gonna follow what she's saying. I'm gonna moisturize my face. Follow up with a translucent powder. I have the KK Beauty translucent powder and the #1. Right. So she says to, well, I put way too much first of all. Let me just blend it in because it's way too much. She said to apply setting spray. This is the one that I use, the Glam Glow Glow Setter. I'm gonna let this sit and then apply primer. I will try the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I bought a sample and I wasn't able to use it for a long time because the tub wasn't working, but today I try and it's actually working. So for foundation, I would use the Maybelline Drink Urban Coverage, this one right here. This foundation is my holy grail. I love this foundation so much. It's my everyday foundation. As you can tell, I have given it a lot of love. I don't know why I get so nervous when I'm recording on a camera. I normally do my makeup, well, mostly when I do my makeup for Instagram, I'm not talking. I'm normally just doing my makeup and, you know, recording as I go and not talking at all. But then I be on Instagram talking mad shit and I don't feel shy at all. Like, I'm good with it. But when I sit down and record with a camera, I don't know, something changes. Just get nervous. I don't know how to act. Concealer, I have the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer in light medium. My favorite one is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage, this one right here, which I heard is actually a dupe for the Tarte concealer, but this one is almost done and I switched to this because I remember that I had a brand new bottle, so I started wearing this now. But they both the same thing. The only thing is I feel like they both do perform the same way. The only thing, this one is more expensive than this. This is a drugstore brand, so you can get more for your money. It's so quiet, like, oh my god. Sponge, I bought it because Ella Sarah E recommended it, so I wanted to try it. How it has makeup already, I don't know. So I'm gonna use this to blend my concealer. It feels so soft. It feels amazing. I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty translucent powder in lavender, so I could bake while I do my eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Mercury retrograde palette. I did a video with this palette before, but I never posted nowhere, like I never got to edit it or anything. So I want to use this palette once again. I don't know, because with this top that I have right now, I don't think, what can I do with this palette? Let's see what I do. Look at another palette and be like, inspiration, come to me, because I don't know what. Maybe I should also use this and just use one of this eyeshadow in the Huda Beauty palette as a glitter or something like that, because I want, but this is not as bright neither. I will use both. Use the Huda Beauty palette as a mirror. Take one of the eyeshadow from the Jacqueline Hill palette as a transition shade. I'm thinking maybe I should use these two colors right here. Since I'm already so bright, why not? I'm gonna go for it. What else can happen? Let's just see. If it don't work, I just have to take it off. Pray for me. Let's go. Huda Beauty, let's see what you got, girl. Let's see what this color can do for me and for my eyelid. In the corner, I'm gonna use mercury. Let's see what happens. I'm so afraid. Let's see. Ooh. This green from the Jacqueline Hill and Morphe palette, because the Huda Beauty one is not giving me that pop of color that I want. So I'm gonna look to the side because I need a mirror. Dark green right here, this color right here, and most people do their brows first. I used to be one of those people, but today I don't know what happened that I forgot. So now I'm gonna have to do my brow last and maybe fix this makeup look. How will you stop on me like that? Like, this camera is loca. Like, it just like, I just like with my brows. I'm gonna leave my brows like that. Now I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear gel to make sure my brow stays in place. For contour, I have here the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour, and the name of Dulce de Leche. As you guys can tell, let me just push myself a little bit behind far. This palette is very loved. I really love this. It's very affordable and it does the job perfectly. So I'm gonna bronze my skin. I'm gonna contour. I have the Fenty Beauty in Iceland Thin. Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna use this white glitter, look like snow, in the inner corner of my eye right here. I have this Natasha Denona, finally say it correctly, Natasha Denona palette. It's a blush and highlight. So I'm gonna use this because I don't give this too much love. As you guys can see, it's like brand new. I'm gonna also use this as a highlight. Mascara, I gonna always be going out like this. You can barely see me. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my under eye, because I'm gonna apply top and bottom. So from the Natasha Denona palette, the highlight I'm gonna use is the Diamond. Glow Extreme right here. This one right here. And then for lipstick, I have this Dose of Color lipstick in the name of Supernatural. See, it's not me. This is not me. I want to add like more blush. I kind of dig it. Like, I love it. It's like so I want to add also more highlight. So I'm gonna like, I feel like I need more of a color, so I'm gonna use more blush. And my favorite one is from Wet n Wild in the color Mellow Wine. This one right here. I don't know, you can see it because this camera don't want to focus. I feel like I need a little bit more of something, you know, something to something. Highlight. I have this Dose of Color and Desi and Katy collection Fuego. This highlight right here. I'm gonna add lip gloss. Is this lip gloss? So I have this lip gloss this lip gloss from Morphe. I'm like nervous because my camera is about to die on me, and I don't want it to die until I finish everything that I'm wearing. So this is my final look. I don't know if you can tell. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is now the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me doing my makeup. And yeah, until the next one, bye.